Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis a few times before. That's where these red and green lines are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here as, the upwards move continues. Sure, today it ultimately did pull back here a little bit. But, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, the grand schema of everything, price still has, or the bull still put every opportunity to put in a higher low. And, after today, put in a new high. And, that's just really the name of the game. So before any updates, first want to do a little bit of house cleaning here and get rid of these lines both here and here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have, a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. But that brings about our first update, which comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that do remember the last video I did, hopefully you remember me talking about right around $7.15 as resistance. But now that the price is above it, this would be the level that you'd ideally want to see act as support if the price hits it. Now, if the price does drop below there, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can maintain above 715 going forward, that would certainly make the overall chart look the healthiest. In the event it cannot hold, you still have the purple line down there, down below, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and some other areas of support to keep an eye on. But the two main ones at this point, at least in my mind, $7.15. And then that 50-period simple moving average. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to, continue on upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First key area of resistance on any sort of bounce is just going to be this level from back here, and that sits at about $8.20. And then the next one is just the fun one, meaning, it's always fun to talk about testing highs, going to new highs, and that's where 875 up here comes into play. So 875, like I said, the fun level of resistance, the one that everybody likes to talk about. But before you start talking about the fun one, bulls first got to cross that bridge right there, which sits right about the $8.20 mark. All in all, though, nice way to start off the week. And as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases like it's been doing, then that is the name of the game, and the chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.